everybody. So today we are going to be learning how to make 3D objects, and you will be taught how to use a sweep, Loft, and Revolve tool. So first I'm going to show you guys how to use the Revolve tool. So we're going to go to Create Sketch. Click this plane, and I'm going to create a line. And from this line, I'm going to create a square, finish sketch. So now you go to the Revolve tool, and for your profile you are going to select this, and then for your axis you are going to select any one. I'm going to click this and then click the profile once again, and that is how you use the Revolve tool. As you can see, this is how it turns out. And now I'm going to show you guys how to use the sweep tool. Okay, so first you are going to click Create Sketch, and then you're going to select this specific plane right here, and you're going to create a center circle. Click here, go out from there. Actually, scratch that. We can do the spline first. So first you are going to create a spline. Here we go, and now you're going to click Finish Sketch. From there, you're going to now create a new sketch. And from this new sketch, you are going to make a circle now. Now you're going to click Finish Sketch. Go to Create, and you are going to you're going to click on the Sweep tool. As you can see, this is what it basically does. A sweep is a sketch profile or a plane in your face along a selected plane. Select a series of profiles or plane in your faces to define a shape. Optional, select rails or a center line to guide the shape. So that is what you will be using. Okay, click here, click on your profile, and then click on your path. Here we go. Click OK, and this is how you use the sweep tool. If it doesn't turn out right, then you probably did not do the little sweep at the end. You could either make it a straight line or however you would like. Just remember that you must use the spline tool before. Now we are going to be using the Loft tool. So we are going to cancel here, Create Sketch, go down from here, click here. I'm going to make a circle, Finish Sketch. From here, you are going to offset this plane go up, click OK, create a new sketch, create a center rectangle, and then from here, what you are going to do is go to the Loft tool, and you are going to click on both profiles, and after you click on both profiles, it will create a loft. I will go back and I will show you guys. Right here. So a loft creates a transitional shape between two or more sketch profiles or planar faces. Select a series of profiles or planar faces to define a shape. Optionally select rails or a center line to guide the shape. So this is how the shape will look as the one that I just designed. So that is how you use the Loft tool. So you would just click on both profiles and then click OK, and that's how you use the Loft tool. I did not explain how to use the Revolve tool, and Revolve tool revolves a sketch, profile, or planar face around a selected axis. Select a profile or planar face, then select the axis to revolve around. Those are the 3 tools you will need for this week. And if you have any questions, remember to ask your teachers.